Hey, it's Teo here. As you know, sometimes I do drone videos and, the gadgets I buy and, I like sharing my experiences with people from the end user point of view. I don't promote these things. I don't have any affiliation with any of these companies like DJI or any of those guys, like those big names on YouTube. But I like sharing my experience with you guys. This is my first Neo drone. I also have a Neo 2. When I got this drone first time, I bought several accessories for myself. If you look at my channel, I do have some videos about that. One of them was these ND filters I got for my Neo. It's a company named SunnyLife. I never heard of it before. They come in this generic plastic case with the logo on it. These filters, which you can actually place it on the drone. That's what simply attracted me to buy it. You simply hold this down and place it right here and just clip right on it, and it sits perfect. I mean, it's very nice, as you see. It doesn't affect anything, and they're like near to nothing. Like, for example, this one is an ND8. It comes in 6-pack, and if you buy 3-pack, the 3 filters that you really want, like personally, I wanted to have a CPL, ND16 and ND8. So I just got the 3-pack. You still get the 6-pack case, by the way. But anyway, so this is what I got with it. Currently I have the ND8 on it. If you remember one of my most recent Neo videos, I recently had a crash with this, so I sent it in to DJI Refresh Care. So they simply sent me a brand new one, and I did the unboxing for you guys. So on that crash, one of these filters just flew off of the drone. I had to look all over the place to find it. So I went ahead and purchased Freewell. So you simply put a metallic base right up here around the camera. That metallic base right up here, it has a self-adhesive attachment material in the back, so you simply secure it on the camera, and then you put these magnetically on it. It's 80 degrees here today. Hey, by the way, how do you guys like my hat? World Cup 2026, baby. I can't wait for it. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Here we go. Put this knife away before I cut myself. Oh, cool. Comes with some sort of a hard case. This time around, I got ND8, ND32, and ND16 filters, which are a lot better than just to have a CPL filter. Here they are, sitting in the case. Very cool. A lot of great reviews on the Freewell. I also get the magnetic attachment right down here, I think. This is it. Everything is at micro level thanks to the size of the Neo. Let's see what else comes out of the bag. You get this little video tutorials if you need to figure it out how to put it on. Unlock your warranty, you have to, I guess, register it. And Neo installation guide. You guys more than welcome to read it. Looks like a little cloth to clean it. Very cool. But let's go ahead and clean the lens with this, the whole area. I got this wet wipes, came with my phone case. Just want to clean the camera with this. It doesn't come with it, you don't have to, but if you have one on the side, just clean it around. I just don't want to wipe it off with the dry stuff. Okay, that helps a lot. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and get this metal base. Okay, they're both magnetic. They give you an extra one, so it comes with 2. In case, I guess, you mess one of them up, you can use the other one. And I'm gonna put this little thing on it, since we're gonna use one of them. Okay, let's go ahead and use the knife to remove this paper off of the sticky part. And you have giant fingers like I do, it's a bit challenging. Okay, let's go ahead and grab our Neo without touching the camera. We're just gonna place it. There's like a indented area right down here. I don't know if you can see it. We're gonna put in between there. Honestly, it's super easy since it's built for it. And I'm just gonna get this to kind of secure it around. Yeah, it doesn't block the camera or anything, it just sits there. Perfect. Just gonna set it like this. Just gonna kind of wipe it around. Hold the camera when you do that. You don't want to put pressure on that gimbal. Just hold it. Yeah, unlike these other guys, the ones over here, you actually don't deal with the back of the camera or the gimbal or anything. You don't have to squeeze it in here. Because I find myself fiddling with it a lot with these ND filters. I'm gonna go ahead and put the 16 on. We have quite a bit of a sun out there. If I don't like that, I can always switch to 32. So here it is. Looks fairly good. And removing this piece of cake, let's say I don't want the 16, I'll just take this off. See the base sitting there? No problem. So I'll just go ahead and place this back and put the 32. Here it is, check it out. Boom. Automatically find its spot. I mean, if you're really anal like I am, you can actually straighten out the brand name. There we go, it's a lot better now. No interference, nothing, and it's like near to nothing weight-wise. I like it. Simply, these are the brands. If you're not interested in attaching anything like a permanent or, you know, self-adhesive backing and all that, you can always go this route. These are really easy to put in on and off too, but it's slightly cumbersome, like especially if you see something you want to take off but you want to put a filter on. This is a lot easier, you guys. So let's go ahead and check it out to see if the camera guard is going to fit while the ND filter is on the camera. Let's go ahead and test that. Place the top in, squeeze the bottom. As you see, it just sits in there perfect. No problem whatsoever. Here it is, remove it. Okay, perfect. I don't recommend you guys to store the drone with the ND filter on it like this. You may put some pressure on the gimbal. So also it's not good for the ND filter either. You may scratch it. So store them separately. Store the ND filter in its own case and the drone without the ND filter on it, like so. Let's go ahead and test it with the base. See, that metal base is affecting this at all? Nope, not at all. Perfect. Demonstrate one more time. Grab our ND filter, place it on, boom. God, it's so convenient. I like to clip on too, but this is my favorite now. I love it. I think I'm gonna get one of these for my Neo 2 as well. I know the DJI Neo doesn't have the best camera in the world, but you know, it is what it is. You know, when I fly it, I want my shots to be a little better than what it is. I'll go ahead and put the links for both of these so you decide which one do you want. You want the magnetic type or you want the clip-on type. It's completely up to you guys. They're super cheap, under $20. I have both of them because I bought this when I first got my Neo. And this is, I just got it. So if you have any questions, as usual, go ahead and feel free to shoot. I'll be happy to answer and get back to you as soon as I can. If you have any comments or suggestions, you know the drill. Feel free to go ahead and drop them. Let's talk about it. I have so much more content coming up. I got some outdoor stuff coming up for brewing coffee. I got this amazing grinder that I'm working on. That video is coming up pretty soon. So keep an eye on the channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Join the crew. What are you waiting for? And if you find this video interesting, please go ahead and like and share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next TEO'S Take video. Have a delicious day.